Good afternoon. We are starting the tattoo removal with Q-switched Nd:YAG. Q-switched Nd:YAG tattoo removal. The basic points here is the maximum amount of sound is the place where the gap between the probe and the skin should be judged. So the maximum amount of sound should be there. 2, monthly one sitting, 5 sittings in 5 months will reduce the tattoo in and around 70 to 80%. It's not 100% fruitful. 50 to 60% will go down within first sitting, but 70 to 80% we will get only after 5 sittings. Initially the results will be very good, but later on it will be slower. This is another thing. This is Becker's Nevi. Becker's Nevi. Becker's Nevi. Becker's Nevi with Q-switched Nd:YAG. Again, the results are 60 to 70%. I told you with laser, you should not think that with laser we can cure everything 100%. It's all 50 to 70% only. So don't promise anything. Tell the patient that we will try to help. This is Q-switched Nd:YAG in Becker's Nevi. Next one, Nevus of Vota, Q-switched Nd:YAG. Nevus of Vota, Q-switched Nd:YAG. Nevus of Vota. Again the results will be only 50 to 60%. As such there won't be any big complication, but if you increase the joules above 600 for face, we can end up with scars. For face, the joules should be 600. For moles or any other pigmentary skin lesion over the body, it can go up to 900. 900 or 1000 joules in Q-switched Nd:YAG will produce a scar over the face. Scars will be pitted. So we have to be careful about it. And you are able to see that frosting there, something like when you do a chemical peeling we get frosting. Same way we get frosting like skin lesion when we go in for Q-switched Nd:YAG. Now, in the morning session I showed one case of port vein stain where we used Nasovion drops. Esmolol drops along with atenolol 50 milligram. Gel. நம்ம கொண்டாடணும். அவங்கள சொல்லுவாங்க சார். ஃப்ராக்ஷன் இல்லடா, ஃப்ராக்ஷன் இல்லை, லாங் பல்ஸ் இந்தியா கூட ஒக்காலையா. சரி, அப்போ மிஷினை ஷோ பண்ணிக்கலாமா? முன்னாடி கொண்டா நான் காட்டுறேன். இது ஐபிஎல் ஓப்பன் பண்ணு. டேய் ஓப்பன் பண்ணுறேன், டெமோ மாத்திரம் காட்டுறேன். ஓப்பன் பண்ணுறான், பேசிகிட்டு இருக்காதீங்கடா. இந்த வேறு அங்கே வா குறாடே இந்தடா இதெல்லாம் எப்போ எடுத்து வைக்கிறீங்க பாருங்க பாருங்க. A person who starts a clinic, who starts a cosmetics clinic, should have an IPL, because IPL is polychromatic. When we tell it to be polychromatic, we can use in scars, we can use in pigmentation, we can use in vascular malformation, we can use for hair removal, so we can use for variety of conditions. In skin rejuvenation, in skin lightening, it's of tremendous use. The only thing, we should know how to do it. How to do a skin lightening with IPL. How to do a vascular laser with IPL. IPL is not a pure laser, it's going to be a sister of laser. But what I have seen is IPL along with diode. One sitting of diode followed with one sitting of IPL. The next sitting should be diode, next should be the sitting with the IPL in a hair removal. Skin rejuvenation and pigmentation, IPL is better than any other laser for that matter. But the joules have to correlate with the chromophobe. The chromophobe in hair removal is melanin. The melanin inside the hair root is going to be a chromophore there. There is going to be a collateral damage to the hair root when we burn the melanin. So it's not the hair root which is going to get burnt out, it's the melanin which is the chromophobe. In carbon dioxide laser, the water is going to act as a chromophobe. The water is going to boil out. The increased temperature, the heat generated out of that boiling is going to destroy the surrounding tissue. So it's useful in tumors. So it can be used in skin resurfacing also. In erbium YAG, the laser for the condition, vascular flash lamp pulse dye laser, because the wavelength correlates exactly with oxyhemoglobin. Hair removal diode. Scar revision, erbium YAG, the wavelength is 2980 nanometers. So the wavelength has to correlate with the chromophore, otherwise to the lesion where we are going to use. Here, this is a vascular malformation. We can use long pulse INDIAG, we can use pulse dye laser. Pulse dye laser, the lasing medium is going to be rhodamin and copper. The wavelength is going to be 585. Hemoglobin wavelength is 574. So it exactly correlates with the wavelength of the chromophore. In vascular lesion, we are going to target the hemoglobin. So the wavelength in and around the 575 wavelength, everything will cure your vascular malformation. We have different filters in IPL. If you can have a filter for 575 wavelength, it will be equal to your long pulse INDIAG. Long pulse INDIAG, pulse dye laser, or your IPL. I will just show you long pulse INDIAG. Long pulse INDIAG is Cellphia. This can be used. This can also be used. I will show you how to go about IPL. See this? This is a contact laser. When you tell it to be a contact laser, the contact between the skin and the laser probe should be 100% correct. If you miss even a single millimeter, you are going to burn the skin. Vascular, already you are going to have a scar there. The scar left out by the vascular lesion will be minimal, but the scar left out by the laser will be huge. So be careful. So the contact should be powerful. I think you are able to see that. Not more than 4 shots in one area. Not more than 4 shots in one area. If you go in for the 5th shot, you are going to burn the skin. Same way, long pulse Nd:YAG also, not more than 4 shots in one area. Erbium YAG in a scar, not more than 4 shots in one area. Diode in hair removal, not more than 4 shots in one area. See that the contact is proper. Yes. Hirsutism IPL. Diode enga? Diode kuda. Irka. Chat. Moda IPL kaattirren. Abhi diode pannirom. Hirsutism monthly once, 5 months, and then booster laser sittings, every month one sitting. Every month one sitting. This is IPL for hair removal. I told you, combination of IPL, one sitting in 1 month, the second sitting diode, then third sitting again IPL, fourth sitting again diode, the results will be very nice. So a combination of both will have good results. See this, again I told you contact. This is diode. The wavelength is 800. Diode can be used in one hair removal. 2, it can be used in small vascular problems, small vessel disease. 3, it can be used in skin tightening also. So three things of use is diode. The only thing, again I told you, with IPL we can end up with burns. Same way this also we can end up with burns. This is a contact laser. Except for your carbon dioxide laser and Q-switch Nd:YAG, everything is contact laser. We have to be very careful. See this, not more than 4 spots in one area. Not more than 4 spots in one area. See that? That's it. அடுத்த லேசர் தெர்மாஜெல் acne keloid nuclei. This is a case of acne keloidalis nuclei. Acne keloidalis nuclei, we give intralesional steroid, we give antibiotics, but if it does not respond, we can go in for diode laser. Diode laser. So it's all, as you know, it's all a folliculitis. If we can remove the hair, if we can destroy the hair root, that itself will become a therapy for acne keloidalis nuclei. So what now I am doing is, We have injected intralesional steroid. Intralesional steroid, huh? We have injected it. Again, I am injecting it, right? Just for a demonstration purpose. Then we go in for a diode laser. Again, monthly once. See that? Right. This is acne keloidalis nuclei. So just a demonstration for this. In vascular conditions, whether it is hemangioma or anything, more than pulse dye laser, again a revolution in a laser, fractional CO2, the damage is minimized, the complications are low, see that? I think you are able to see that, right? படிக்குதுங்களா? Right. Within 1 month, we will prepare the whole CD of this event and send it to you all, so you need not videograph. Don't waste your time. Prepare for your questions. Again, I will come up. We will have a good discussion. See this? Right, fractional CO2. The only thing, the difference between carbon dioxide and this one fractional CO2 is the things are all minimized. Normal CO2 இருக்கா? இதை பண்ணிடலாமா? கொடு. Again a CO2 resurfacing. நல்லா விட்டுடா. வரல. சரி, பண்ணு. ரைட். எங்க இருக்கு? See that? I think you are able to see that fumes. Just a resurfacing. See that? I think you are able to see that. I think you are able to see the fumes. Any resurfacing, first 2 days, topical steroids, followed with hydroquinone. CO2. CO2 கொடுங்க. This acne keloidalis, normal CO2. This is normal CO2 in acne keloidalis nuclei. கொஞ்சம் பொறுத்துங்க. I think you are able to see that. See the fumes. This is something like a laser for a tumor. The exact cause is not going to get cured, but the tumor will come down. Will it increase beyond this? Sometimes it will happen also. But what we do, under the cover of intralesional steroids, we do lasers. CO2, CO2, plain CO2. This is adenoma sebaceum carbon dioxide laser. చూడదామా చూడు 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 చూడుப்பா பரவாயில்ல பரவாயில்ல லோக்கல் போட்டிருக்கா anyway adenoma sebaceum is going to recur a dermal structure. Again and again we have to do sphingioma, angiofibroma. It's coming and going, coming and going. Verrucous epidermal nevi, again carbon dioxide laser. I think you are able to see the fumes. Enappa? Good. The fumes தெரியட்டும். Are you able to appreciate the fumes? See that I am doing in a revolving fashion since it's a bigger one. Lipolaser, obesity. Cool sculpting, lipolaser. Cool sculpting போட்டலாமா? Lipolaser அந்த ரேடி ஒன்று இருந்துச்சு. அது போட்டு. சரி cool sculpting மூலம் மாற்றா. Cavitation therapy. இதுக்கு காட்டிடுமா? ரைட். இல்ல ரெண்டும். இது அதுவும். பின்னாடி கொண்டு வா. ரெண்டும் கொண்டு வா. இது கொண்டு வா முத. கொண்டு வா அட்டாச் பண்ணியாச்சா now we go in for anti obesity treatment. Anti obesity treatment either can be cool sculpting, lipolaser, radio frequency or cavitation therapy. These are all non-invasive techniques to reduce fat. Other liposuction treatment is all gone now. Now this is going to be very, very safe. Lipolaser is going to be safe. Cool sculpting is going to be safe. The basic thing is, lipolaser we have to do weekly twice. Do weekly twice for at least a period of 6 weeks. So it comes to 12 sittings. Every sitting you will lose in and around 2 to 3 centimeter for the first 6 sittings. After that you will lose around 1 centimeter, 1 to 1.5 centimeter. So net gain is in and around 3 to 4 inch. You are wearing a pant size of 34, you will become 30 within 6 weeks. There will be definite result with laser, but main thing is dieting. Without dieting, you go on take biryani, you go on take all sorts of non-vegetarian food, you are not going to lose weight. 90% of anti-obesity medication anti-obesity success is from the patient side. If the patient is not going to obey your commands, everything is going to be a big failure. 10% will be our help. We can increase, we can stimulate, we can break the fat. Yes, we can do everything, but they have to follow it properly. Cool sculpting versus lipo laser, which will be better? Long term, cool sculpting will be better. Short term, lipo laser will be better. Cool sculpting is going to destroy the cell membrane. How is it going to destroy the cell membrane? It's going to freeze the inner structures of this fat cell. So the fat cell is going to get disrupted. Fat is going to go out. You do a good amount of exercise, it's going to go out properly. One. Lipo laser, the laser is going to produce a small hole in the fat cell. The fat cell is going to emit all your fat out. But what we have to do after lipo laser or cool sculpting, we have to do abdominal abdominal exercise. Abdominal tightening exercise for at least a period of half an hour. Cool sculpting we do for half an hour, lipo laser we do for half an hour, followed with abdominal exercise. What abdominal exercise? Just lie down, elevate your leg. Lie down, elevate your leg. This has to go for at least half an hour. Without half an hour exercise, your lipo laser and cool sculpting, 50% of results will be minimized. It will have effects, but it will be minimized. Finish off cool sculpting, finish off lipo laser, ask the patient to do abdominal tightening with lifting the legs. That will be a best method of treatment. Acha, with both of these, if at all there is no cure, what normally I do? I do a cool sculpting. After that, what I do, I go in for a cavitation therapy. Cavitation therapy, there will be a little amount of heat generated from the cavitation system. There is a freezing of all the fat cells. Again you heat it, everything is emitted out. The results will be nice. I told you, you combine two procedures in one patient, the results will be good. In this, cool sculpting or lipo laser along with cavitation or radiofrequency. Radiofrequency can be used as anti-aging medication for skin tightening, and it can be used in obesity also. So 12 sittings, 6 weeks. Weekly twice, 6 weeks. This is lipo laser. One probe cut. See this? This is a lipo laser probe. There we have attached. This is a lipo laser probe. Right? In a single sitting, we can use around 9 electrodes. 9 electrodes like this. Each and everything will contain 9 diode emitting electrodes. 9 diode emitting electrodes, and in a single individual we are not to use more than 9 probes like that, because there are machines which have 15 probes. We should not do that. You are not to increase more than 9 probes. For a hand you can use 1 probe. For another hand you can use 1 probe. For abdomen you can use 4 probes. For a leg, wherever you feel cellulite, 1 probe to that particular area. 9 probes, 9 electrodes. Some probes have even 12 electrodes. If it is 12 electrodes, the probe size should be minimized. Why are we doing that? We should not end up with damaging the surrounding structure. I told you this is all diode waves. Diode wave is going to hit your fat cell. It's going to produce a pore on the fat cell. Fat is going to get excavated. Combination of lipo laser or cool sculpting with exercises, definite result 1. Exercise, dieting will serve purpose. So this is laser. Otherwise it does not have any complication. I will show you cool sculpting now. otherwise cryolipolysis. The basic temperature is -5 to -10. With -5 to -10, your fat is going to freeze out. So what you are going to get is a solidified structure. See how we do. This is antifreeze membrane. Apply antifreeze membrane and put that probe there. See the suction. I think you are able to see the suction there. You are able to see the section. It will stand like that. You have to leave it for 30 minutes. It won't come up. Slowly it will start to freeze. Slowly it will start to freeze. 30 minutes. The only thing in this procedure also, it has to be combined with exercise. Without exercise, no results. Then we can use cavitation. Cavitation, the only thing what you have to see with cavitation is, unlike lipolaser and cool sculpting, which is specific to the fat, cavitation therapy is not specific. When you tell it's not specific, what we have to do? Say a case is coming to your clinic, 90 kgs weight. We have to reduce at least to 70. The weight maximum is in the abdomen. What are we going to do? First inject phosphatidylcholine. Phosphatidylcholine into the abdomen. Divide the abdomen into 4 quadrants. I told you can go up to 40 ml of phosphatidylcholine. 10 ml, 10 ml, 10 ml, 10 ml. So 10 ml of phosphatidylcholine, 10 ml here, 10 ml here, 10 ml here. Inject. Then go in for any procedure of this sort. The result is going to be tremendous. I am just telling a broad, practical way of reducing weight and tightening the skin. So both ways it's going to help. Phosphatidylcholine with deoxycholate is going to reduce your fat. It's going to kill your fat cell and tighten the skin also. So both ways, without lipolaser or without cool sculpting, only phosphatidylcholine may be 20 to 30% beneficial, because lot of fat here. But with phosphatidylcholine combined with lipolaser or cool sculpting, the results will be remarkable. Take it for granted, 40 ml of phosphatidylcholine in one abdomen, 6 sittings of lipolaser or cool sculpting, with a good amount of dieting, definitely they will lose in and around 6 to 8 kgs within a period of 6 weeks. Tremendous improvement will be there. And the skin will be tightened also. People are going in for abdominal plasty, liposuction, but this will be safe and wonderful. I will show you the cavitation therapy now. I think you are able to hear the sound of that. The only thing is, see, now it's working. We have to catch hold of the fat. I told you it's not safe in only one thing, because it can go inside, penetrate onto the omentum, penetrate onto the surrounding structure. So what we have to do? We have to catch hold of the fat. See the probe here, this way. Otherwise, you are focusing the skin to skin. You are focusing the skin to skin. This is also done 30 minutes. But if this procedure can be combined with cool sculpting and lipolaser, the results are tremendous. Sir, what are you saying, sir? You are telling everything to be combined. Yes. it produces good results, because what happens is sometimes plain cool sculpting, plain lipo laser, sometimes 20 to 30% we fail also, because the frozen fat has to come out. The frozen fat has to ooze. If you can do a cavitation 2 to 3 minutes after doing a cool sculpting, the results will be tremendous. So these are all few practical points in anti-obesity management. Thermage. Thermage. RF tightening. RF எங்க இருக்கு? This is radio frequency tightening. I am a lover of radio frequency. Radio frequency does wonders. Radio frequency with a high density gel. This what gel we are using is a low density gel. If we can use a high density gel, the results are good. The penetration is also good. Right? The burning sensation will be a little bit high. This can be used in scars, light spray, where the blood supply improvement will be there. 1, 2, there will be increased collagen synthesis with this. A new skin formation. Elastin can't be synthesized. The collagen will get shortened out, so it will produce a good amount of tightening. Collagen shortening. Thermage. Thermage ஒக்காலையா? இதுப்பா. இது. ஒக்காலையா? எடு. MRF. Now we will talk about Thermage. Thermage again is number 1 treatment in anti-aging therapy. Anti-aging therapy, I told you, a good sunscreener in the morning, a good moisturizer at night, normally is going to be a good anti-aging medication. Beyond that, shagging of skin, shagging of neck, shagging of any tissue, shagging of any tissue, we can go in for Thermage. Thermage, there are different types of Thermage. What now we are going to use is micro needle. Micro needle வேண்டாம், இது கூட. இது என்னது? இது மைக்ரோ நீடலா? இது மேல அடிக்கும். ஹீட் மாத்திரம் போலாம். See this, there are 2 probes here. One is a needle probe, the other one has needles, but it does not come out. The damage is very low with this. So normally what I use this I call it as matte finish. It's something like a matte. Ready. So anti-aging medication. Your patient comes to your clinic for anti-aging treatment. So tell the patient you have to have a rich antioxidants, whether in the food or antioxidant therapy. See this? See this? What is the basic advantage of this? This is the normal skin. This is a normal skin. Collagen, elastin, everything is in the dermis. You use a radio frequency tightener or laser Everything is not going to be specific for the collagen and elastin. Thermage, this Thermage probe has microneedles. This Thermage probe has microneedles. These microneedles, once we put it on the skin, it will directly enter the dermis. So the damage to the epidermis is minimized by this method. The damage is minimized by this method. Right? So this is the basic thing. Next one will be glutathione. Glutathione can be given in, glutathione injection is being given now. Glutathione injection. Above 50 kgs, above 50 kgs, 50,000 units. Below 50 kgs, 20,000 units, 25,000 units, we can use any amount. But what I advise is injection glutathione. Injection glutathione. 50 kgs and below it, 20 to 30,000 units. Above 50 kgs, 50,000 units. 50,000 units combines collagen and vitamin C. Collagen and vitamin C. A combination of collagen, vitamin C with glutathione 50,000 units, one, it will act as a good antioxidant. Two, it will act as a good anti-aging medication also. Previously it was used for only liver condition, it was used for chronic renal failure, kidney, liver failure and other neurological condition. Now we are using for skin lightening and anti-aging. So you start anti-aging medication with glutathione with collagen and vitamin C. Mix vitamin C, collagen along with glutathione, inject it IV. Weekly twice, 3 weeks. Weekly twice, 3 weeks. 6 injections. 1 year, you will have a definite improvement. After 1 year, again you are going to end up with the same old skin. Again you have to repeat the injection. I told you, cosmetology, everything is temporary. Here, we have to inject it weekly twice, 3 weeks. And every year we have to repeat it, glutathione. Then, skin and shaggy areas. Skin and shaggy areas. What are we going to do? I told you Thermage. Thermage, again, weekly once. Weekly once, 2 weeks. After that, monthly once, four times. Weekly once 2 weeks, monthly once 4 times. As such 6 times. I told you how we calculate this gap. It's according to the epidermal turnover time, according to the rejuvenation period. So, this see that? This can be used in any skin for that matter. See? You want to tighten it here, you can do there. See? It will be a little bit hot, but tremendous results. half an hour you have to do, you have to bear with the pain. If you can bear with a half an hour pain, the skin will get tightened immediately. Right? Then in a chemical peel, there is another one called mini carboxytherapy. Mini carboxytherapy. This is a gel which is being used with a mask. All chemical peeling we don't use facial mask, but this has to be used with mask. The results are good. The only thing is there should not be any gap between skin, this material and your mask. Wherever there is no gap between this one, skin and your mask, the results are going to be very good. The skin may burn, the results will be nice. If we can accept that burning sensation, the result will be good. I will just tell you, I will just demonstrate. See, neutralizer, saline. Just this is a demonstration. See this? Leave it till she bears. Leave it till she bears. After that, neutralize it. There should not be any gap. That is the basic thing. There should not be any gap. Am I burning sensation, Poonam? No. Serum edukku? Galvanic இல்லையே. அது அப்புறம் பார்த்து யாருக்கு போட ஆன்டி ஏஜிங் பேஷண்ட் இவனை கூப்பிடு பாயா மேடம் போட்டுருமா வா கொடுக்குறேன் சீரம் ஹீட் இருக்காது இந்தா அப்ளை பண்ணி விடுங்க அவங்கள்ட்ட ப்ரோபை கொடு. Once the burning sensation starts, we have to remove it. Burning sensation, ma? Right. We have to neutralize it. வேற என்ன ப்ரொசீஜர் உங்கள்கிட்ட? சரி யார் இருக்குதா? ஆக்சிஜன் போட்டுரும். ஆக்சிஜன் பீலுங்க. ஆக்சி பீல் போட ஆரம்பிச்சாச்சும்மா. அந்த நீ போட்டியா? This is anti-aging serum. Anti-aging serum as such, the basic thing is vitamin C, Chuka, Melgain. These are the basic composition. How can we use this anti-aging serum? I told you about glutathione. I told you about Thermage. Now I am demonstrating galvanic current with anti-aging serum. Apply the anti-aging serum. Above it, use your galvanic current. What happens is the collagen gets tightened. It gets remodeled. You see, something like iontophoresis, where we separate the ions in the tap water, The ions go and get attached to your sweat duct, form a protein coagulum. Here too, the high intensity galvanic current makes the anti-age serum into small ions. See that galvanic current? See how is it being done? It is to be done in wobbling pattern. Wobbling pattern. It's not to be stopped in one area, it may burn. Wobbling, 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 wobbling. Half an hour it has to be done. One patient, not more than 10 ml of serum. It can be vitamin C, it can be your stem cell serum also. Stem cell as such, it's not stem cell, it's going to be from your peanut. We tell it to be stem cell, it's not stem cell. Oxypeel. This is oxypeel. I'm a small gun time. I think I look like a James Bond now. See that? 007. See that? How do we do that? It's just a cleaner. It's just a cleaner. It's a cleaner. Before going in for any procedure, if you can clean it like way, otherwise, after doing a chemical peeling, after doing a microdermabrasion, if you want to have a proper clean, this will be very nice. This is something like a water service. You should have seen services for all your vehicles. This is service for your skin. I think you are able to see that. Instead of going in for a facial bleach, instead of going in for a pack, you can go for this. You are able to see it properly. A good wash. Anti-hug. அவ்வளோதானா? அது போட்டாச்சு அங்கே. அது நான் சொல்லிடுறேன் மேலே போயிட்டு நீங்கள் ஆரம்பிச்சு. அது போகுது ராஜா. இன்ட்ரடிஷனல் ஸ்டீராய்டு அதெல்லாம். போட்டு காட்டிடுங்க அவ்வளோ. 5 minutes. மேலே போயிட்டு மூடுங்க. This is stem cells. Stem cells, one comes for the skin, one comes for the hair. This is for the hair. Use a derma roller, you can use minoxidil. Use a derma roller, you can use vitamin C serum. Use a derma roller, you can use a stem cell also. This stem cell, just apply it on the lesion. Apply it on the lesion and abrade. Just to know, but will it work wonders? No. Actually, what I advise is, every preparation has a very good penetration capacity, every cosmetic preparation. So, there is no need of a derma roller and vitamin C serum or hair serum or stem cell serum. Everything has a penetration enhancer now. So, actually speaking, there is no need. Right? But I will just show the diode laser. See this? Hair laser, diode laser. This one you see? See that hair? Beautiful hair, comb your hair. The blood supply to the skin is increased. Blood supply to the skin is increased. Time. This is all diode. I told you diode laser in various conditions. This is again a diode emitting electrode which is used in hair combing. So you can have it in your clinic also, you can have it for your purpose. This is a vibrator. You need anybody to massage your hair. Instead of that, you can use this vibrator. Use there, you don't need a massage, you don't need a girlfriend, you don't need a boyfriend. You have this, everything is good. Have a good sleep, enjoy. Iontophoresis, I told you. Ions in tap water is broken out, separated. The ions go and get attached to the sweat duct. It forms a protein coagulum. That's how it abstracts. Same way, in a palmoplantar keratoderma or mosaic wart add salicylic acid crystals to the chamber. Both these chambers. You have two chambers here. You can add salicylic acid crystals. Add salicylic acid crystals to it and go in for iontophoresis. Your mosaic wart resisting to any therapy, palmoplantar keratoderma resisting to any therapy will come out nicely. But the percentage of salicylic acid crystals should be 40%. Readily available everywhere. Readily available everywhere. But with salicylic acid crystals only it acts. My experience, salicylic acid crystals, see the salicylic acid crystals, this is it, 10 to 15 gram in one chamber, 10 to 15 gram in one chamber, current from one electrode to another electrode, it will emit fumes, it has to emit fumes. With that we do, the results will be tremendous. ஆக்சிபியூர் அவர் காட்டிடு வாங்க தம்பி இப்படி உட்காருப்பா இப்படி உட்காருங்க. See, this is the case of mosaic wart. இப்படி உட்காந்து அப்படியே வைப்பாமா. This is the case of mosaic wart. mosaic wart காட்டு. %40 crystals, 10 to 15 gram in one chamber. அப்படி வைப்பா, உள்ள வைப்பா, உள்ள வைப்பா, உள்ள வைப்பா. முடிஞ்சா நான் போறேன். ஆமா, வீடியோக்கு போகணும். வீடியோ போடு, வீடியோ போடு, போடு போடு போடு. வரேன். ஓவர்னு சொன்னோன்னே முடிச்சிருவேன். நீங்கள் வெளியே வந்துடலாம். நீங்கள் வெளியே வாங்க. நீங்கள் வேண்டியதில்லை. ஏம்மா இது என்ன ஆர்டிஃபிஷியலாக இருங்க. This artificial hair graft. Artificial hair graft, if at all we don't have hair from the scalp, alopecia universalis, those conditions we can use artificial hair graft. One hair graft, the rate of one hair graft comes to around 120 rupees now. Very expensive. See that hole in that graft? There's a small knot in that graft. Within that knot, you have to put that needle. It's something like a sewing needle. See that? It's like a sewing needle. It goes inside that knot, poke into the head, Like a sewing machine, it just puts the hair inside into the fat. That's it. See, this is a dummy model. See the hairs growing in a dummy model. It's so simple like that. So there is a small knot, put the needle inside. The needle has a small curvature. It will hold the knot, go inside, come out. The knot gets tightened. It will get tightened around a fat layer. That's it. It's so simple like that. It's something like sewing. PRP, I just wanted to show the preparation of PRP. Acid citrate dextrose, first step, as an anticoagulant. First centrifuge. Platelets are separated. See the coat, Buffy coat. Along with the Buffy coat. Two, 3 drops of calcium chloride will make it as a growth factor. Breast augmentation with Botox. The increase will be in and around 30% within 15 days. It will last for 6 months. Again, we have to repeat the injection. An imaginary line connecting the two nipples that says that it is on the 4th intercostal space, 1 inch away from the sternum, this side and that side. One inch, that's the point where we have to inject. Squeeze the fat outside. The fat should not become a hindrance for injection. Squeeze, see how we squeeze the fat outside. Directly we land up into the intercostal muscle. The first hit is on the intercostal muscle. The second hit is on the pectoralis minor. Pull the needle up, inject. Not more than 20 units in one breast. Botox points, I have explained Botox. Lymphangioma circumscriptum. Sclerotherapy. I told you about sclerotherapy in hemangioma. We demonstrated. This is lymphangioma circumscriptum. This case was referred from Annamalai University, and the results are so nice because after 2-3 sittings of surgery, it has become recurrent. In that case, sclerotherapy will be of much use. Not more than 10 ml of sclerosant in one sitting in one area, along with CO2. This case also we have published. So combination of therapies normally helps. Next. CO2 laser in lymphangiectasia. Next. Right. Sclerotherapy in a varicose vein. Breast augmentation. Hemangioma near the eyelid. Here not more than 2 ml of sclerosant, 1 ml of sclerosant with 1 ml diluent. If you are afraid, we can dilute it to 2-3 times, nothing happens. But one time dilution, the results will be better. Pressotherapy, another form of anti-obesity preparation. Infrared rays instead of diode rays, infrared rays along with heat. The heat goes to in and around 90 degree. With infrared rays, you lose weight of half a kg per sitting. Carboxytherapy. I'm sorry that I didn't talk about carboxytherapy. Carboxytherapy, carbon dioxide gas, has multiple properties. One, it produces a vasodilatation, it reduces fat, it reduces pigments also. How does it do it? In periocular melanosis, which does not respond to any therapy, 10 ml of carbon dioxide gas injected into the periocular area produces good results. In an abdomen, not more than 400 ml of carbon dioxide to be injected at one time. In a leg, not more than 100 ml. In a hand, not more than 100 ml. Shaggy hands, cellulite in the legs, abdominal obesity, periocular melanosis, SIAC. Everything, carbon dioxide will be of much use. The only thing, there won't be shagging left behind, which is being seen in surgeries. This will be of much use. This is breast augmenter. Breast augmenter again uses infrared along with suction. Infrared along with suction. See that infrared rays and here suction. Half an hour every 15 days, 6 sittings, 30% increase in size. Half an hour every 15 days, 6 sittings, 30% increase in size. See the suction there. After the suction has started, we can remove our hands. It will all stuck on. It will all get attached to the breast. It will be a little bit painful. We have to accept the pain. Same instrument can be used for nipple enlargement also. We have finer small probes for nipple enlargement. See that? This is for nipple enlargement. Some people have very small nipples, that can be enlarged with that. That's a small bit of cotton inside. When the enlarged nipple hits on the glass, it may get wounded. For that purpose, we have used a cotton there. See that? I think you are able to see that. That is the suction pressure. யார் கொடுக்கணும்? RF tightening இருக்கா? போடு. Skin tightener. This is a vacuum skin tightener. There will be a small hole in that. It has a roller. It produces a vacuum. It sucks the skin inside and tightens. Roller, vacuum pressure, both combined. See the section there? போடு.
Good evening, doctors and my colleagues. I invite all...
One minute.
Sorry.
என்னாச்சு? PRP. Outcome of PRP. Trophic ulcer. See the healing there. PRP in trophic ulcer. Before treatment, after 2 PRP. Before treatment, after 4 PRP sessions. Before treatment, after treatment. Before and after. Vasculitic ulcer. It's called PRP dressing as such. Fat transplant. See that hemiatrophy, we have transplanted fat into it. See the result now. Sclerotherapy. Tongue hemangioma. We have injected the sclerosant. See after 5 sittings. See the hemangioma there. See how it has disappeared. See how is the disappearance. A smaller hemangioma. Varicose vein after treatment. Again varicose vein after treatment. Chassis ulcer after treatment. Botox, Raynaud's. See that gangrene. Now how is it? Thank you. Sir, if you have any doubts. Thank you.
Good evening, doctors and my colleagues. Special thanks to all to come all over the India and even from Malaysia also, Dr. Rasool. And now I want to give a honor to my close friend, to Dr. Ratnavel. The memento is given to sir by our 2007 IADVL President of Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Ramesh sir from Warangal. I invite sir to hand over this memento to sir, please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And feelings, sir, about your feelings.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Really, I congratulate Dr. Ratnavale for his wonderful lecture, and he has shown so many procedures in short span of time. Really, it's appreciable. And this is the second time I am making my visit, and every time we come, we are seeing so many new procedures, new things have come, and we are learning a lot. Of course, learning is a continuous process, and really I appreciate, I enjoy here coming in short time. We are able to see so many procedures, and we are knowing so many new things. Really, doctor, I appreciate, and on the behalf of all colleagues, and
Thank you, sir.
I thank you, and we welcome that you are organizing so many now courses, short-term courses, and it's nice fellowships also you are going to start, and definitely it will be benefit for each and everybody. And once again, I congratulate you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Good luck, sir.
And I invite
Any questions? Questions? Ask, ask. Chronic idiopathic urticaria. We are trying autologous serum. No use. Antihistamine routine, no use. Steroids, less use. But what I see is, before making it into a chronic phenomenon, why don't we control in the acute stage? When you see in an acute stage, it's just going to be the primary mediator. It's not going to be the secondary mediator. Whenever we tell it to be a primary mediator, we can control it with colchicine. Normally people don't give colchicine. I don't know why people are afraid, because I left and right use colchicine. I left and right use cyclosporin. Use cyclosporin 25 milligram BD for 15 days in any urticaria, you won't make it chronic. You won't make it chronic. Instead of making it chronic, treat it in the acute phase itself. Any urticaria patient comes for the first time to you, because what is the basic problem is, all urticaria patients have a big file. They have they should have seen around 300 dermatologists. That's the biggest issue there. If it is coming for the first time, use a short course of colchicine 1 milligram 15 days, or cyclosporin 25 milligram BD for 15 days. You will get a remarkable recovery, sir. After that, maintain it with levocetirizine. You see, here air is not pure, water is not pure, food is not pure. In India, how can we be devoid of allergy? No chance. Otherwise, you are not to breathe, you are not to eat, you are not to drink. Then only any allergy can go. But in the early stage, if you can prevent that primary mediator stage itself, going in for secondary mediator, all secondary mediators playing ground, after that we won't be able to cure, sir. Autologous serum helps in few group of patients. 20 to 30% of patients who do not respond to any therapy, autologous serum helps. We have been doing this, sir. Sir? No use. That's all just a humbug, sir. That's why I'm telling you, sir, you can't cure an allergy, sir. We can at least control, that's it. But if everything becomes curable, how will you get patients? Nothing is curable. So everybody will get patients. Everybody will get bread and butter. Everybody should be happy about this. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, there are few things which can make a big change. In India, cotton, house dust, they play a major role. So any urticaria patient, what I tell, avoid cotton. See that your room is clean. This itself will prevent your allergy to 50%, ma'am. Cumulative toxicity. Here we are using cotton in a larger way. cotton bed sheet, cotton pillow cover, cotton curtain, cotton dress, everything. So cumulative toxicity, cumulative allergen, it will add up, add up, add up, add up. That is the basic problem of this allergy. Food allergy, what we have to do, ma'am? We have to do an allergic panel test. We have to find out what is the allergy. Say you are allergic to coconut. Avoid coconut for 6 months. After 6 months, we can desensitize. The treatment will be successful to the tune of around 30 to 40% only. You can't imagine 100%. That's why I'm telling. In India, you can't be devoid of allergy. India is allergic.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
I'm Dr. Sai from Tiruvannamalai. I would like to compliment you that you're a very tireless teacher,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
really a tireless teacher.
Thank you, ma'am.
And the array of cases what you showed today is really awesome.
Thank you, ma'am.
I belong to the first batch of cosmetology in Annamalai University in 2004.
Oh,
Ever since
came
I
as a
do
teacher.
come for, huh?
I came as a teacher.
Yes,
there.
for the first batch.
Oh, right. I came
And
as,
the way
all,
you-
all 6 batches I came as a teacher, ma'am.
Yes. And the amount of cases you showed today, your dedication towards teaching is amazing.
Thank
So
you,
I
ma'am.
really wanted to thank you.
Thank you,
And
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I just wanted to know what are the few lasers you would recommend when you set up a clinic, especially for a cosmetology clinic.
Ma'am,
You
one
said
la-
IPL
one
first
laser beginning.
in the beginning.
Have IPL,
IPL.
Sigma IPL. Now
Yes.
SIGRA is there. SIGRA will have both probes. Will have one monochromatic IPL, polychromatic IPL, radio frequency tightener, and Q-switched NDI. So it will contain everything. That will be useful, ma'am. Initial stages, one IPL will be enough, ma'am. With IPL, we can make wonders, ma'am. But unfortunately, people don't understand about IPL, ma'am. They think that IPL, acha. But IPL, I have done lots and lots of things, ma'am, with IPL.
And one more question is, I'm an obstetrician, not a dermatologist.
Very good.
The
Very
thing
good.
is, obstetricians get cases
Ma'am,
for...
when obstetrician prefer dermatology, it's a glamour for us, ma'am. Gold mine entering us.
The thing is, what I would like to ask you is, we just get postnatal obesity cases.
Yes.
Postnatally at which month you advise us to go for obesity around the waist?
Ma'am, after delivery you can go, ma'am. Nothing is going to be harmful. Everything is going to be selective only. So
Okay.
post-obesity management, you can start after delivery. But what I tell, ma'am, any post-obesity laser, any post-obesity radiofrequency surgery, first start metformin.
Okay.
Metformin is going to prevent the neoglucogenesis. Liver is producing new glucose. If you can stop that new glucose formation, then only your procedure is going to help. Your new glucose getting formed, you are not going to get results. Start metformin, then do all things. Combination.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Sir, hair analyzer. Sir, you want me to be real? Do you want me to be real? Real. It's of no use. It's of no use. We can earn money. The condition which you are not able to diagnose with your plain eye within 1 second, you are not going to diagnose for 100 years. You are not able to diagnose at first sight. You are not going to diagnose with anything for 100 years, sir. You do biopsy, you do everything. Even biopsy, I am working in Apollo, sir. I am as a consultant in Apollo. If I send at least 30 to 40 patients per month to biopsy, one or two will clinch the diagnosis. All others, they will just say, correlate clinically. Correlate clinically. For correlate clinically, why should I send the patient to biopsy? So, this is enough. Nothing more than enough need, sir. Hair analyzer, but few patients are there, sir. Few patients are there who read this internet. What I tell, they are all half-baked people. Half-baked people, they need these gadgets. For that purpose, we may need. Otherwise, there is no purpose in it. Radio frequency does not produce a good result, sir. Actually, what happens, sir, the destruction of any tissue with radio frequency is more than your laser, sir. That's what I told. Take a case of hemangioma. You do a laser. You do pulse dye laser, you do any laser, you do diode laser. But do a radio frequency, it will get cured. It will get charred out. I did a GP. Same way you can char out a hemangioma. Hemangioma is all gone. But scarring is heavy. So the post-inflammatory change will be very heavy. If at all it's not a cosmetic area, we can very well go in for radio frequency, sir. For that matter, if you have one radio frequency apparatus, one Conman and one IPL, Zigra, that's enough, sir. We can manage everything.
This is Dr. Vijay Kumar from Hyderabad, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have not come as a seminar member. I have accompanied my son who has done dermatology.
Very good, sir.
So he's able to start now a laser clinic from next month, this Dasra.
Very good, sir.
So I just wanted to know what he wanted to do and what are the things going on in the,
Sir, Sir.
that's why I have seen the total picture. And first of all, I should congratulate you, sir. You have done it very well. It was a serious seminar, and many people are, I think they have grasped the thing and then they have enjoyed. Even myself, I have enjoyed. I just wanted from my general practice of 35 years, I now also wanted to send cases to my fellow of in a different arena.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. And this must have been helped so many people.
Thank you, sir.
So, thank
Sir,
you very much.
lasers,
Yeah.
lasers, 3 segments, sir. 1 pigmentary segment, 2 vascular segment, 3 hair removal segment. Pigmentary, vascular and hair removal. These are the 3 areas of laser, sir. Most commonly, 99%. These 3 will get covered with Zigra. Because Zigra has 1 probe for hair removal, 1 probe for your vascular, 1 probe for your pigmentation. That's what I was telling. If you have Zigra, 1 laser, that will be enough. If you want to have an advance, you can go in for diode laser. You can go in for diode laser. You can go in for a fractional CO2.
Not only that, the obesity treatment which I have grasped something.
Sir, that is a boon, sir. Actually, that's a boon.
Yeah.
You see, you buy one cool sculpting machine or lipo laser, put it on your stomach now, leave it for 30 minutes. First, assess your girth. After that, after finishing, again assess it. Definitely you lose 2 centimeters, sir. You can do it now. That amount of result with lipo laser, sir. Short-term result, lipo laser will be good. Long-term, cool sculpting will be good. I do a combination of cool sculpting and lipo laser, sir.
Wonderful, sir. With good feelings, I am leaving to the.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now I like to invite,
Hey, Irma.
sorry, sir.
Sir, about carboxytherapy, is there any special instrument to do carboxytherapy? To
Amma,
deliver
we
the
have a
carbon
carboxytherapy
dioxide?
machine, ma.
Okay, sir.
Amma, this is a big machine.
Okay, sir.
There is a big carbon dioxide cylinder. The carbon dioxide comes out. It gets filtered.
Okay.
Ultra filtered carbon dioxide. Ultra filtered carbon dioxide. Then only we inject, ma. Earlier, when I got this carboxy training in Bangkok, that was before 7-8 years. What we do, remember, we have small cylinder. From the cylinder, directly we inject into the individual. Now it is ultra centrifuged.
Okay, sir.
Right?
About mini carboxytherapy, what we use for mini carboxytherapy?
No, ma, mini carboxytherapy is as such a peel, ma. It's something like a facial method, ma. You are using facial pack, no, ma. For that, you can use this one. This one will be of good use. Self-use also will be very nice.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, ma.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Okay, okay, please.
Sir, the treatment of molluscum contagiosum.
Molluscum contagiosum. You can go in for cryo, you can go in for needling, you can go in for electrofrequency, you can go in for radio frequency, anything.
Okay. And low dose isotretinoin in acne.
Sir,
Low dose therapy of isotretinoin in acne.
low dose isotretinoin in
Yeah,
acne.
yeah.
If you want to cure acne, you have to go for higher dose.
Okay.
If you don't want to cure acne, just give isotretinoin. For a fun sake, you can give 5 milligram, 10 milligram.
Okay.
20 milligram will be of use. You see, sir, ductal epithelium has gone for hypertrophy.
Okay.
Ductal epithelium has gone for hypertrophy. Your sebum is not going to come out now. We have to reduce the ductal hypertrophy. High dose of isotretinoin will help. Low dose will be just a fun. 20 milligram, not less than 20 milligram. You see how I treat. First 15 days I give 20 milligram. I increase it to 40 milligram. After 3 months I wean out isotretinoin. I just apply topical ointments, everything comes out. Go to the maximum dose and then come down. One. Even in steroids, vasculitis or any problem, go for a higher dose and then come to a minimal dose, sir. Right?
Thank you, sir. And I just want to ask that, sir, sebaceous cyst जो है, मतलब अगर sternocleidomastoid मसल जो है, तो उसमें जहाँ पे जुगुलर वेन क्रॉस करती है, तो वहाँ पे अगर
Nothing will happen.
No.
Your jugular vein mounted, sir. This is in the skin.
Yeah.
Sir, sebaceous gland is in the skin.
Okay.
We are not going to go beyond the skin.
Okay.
This is inside the skin. Don't worry, your jugular vein will be preserved.
Okay, okay. And what about, sir, temporal artery and facial artery?
Huh?
Temporal artery and facial artery.
Temporal acne.
हाँ.
Everything is acne. Wherever you have sebaceous gland, you can get acne. You can get it in the back, you can get it in the chest, you can get anywhere. Sir, wherever there is a hair follicle, there is going to be a sebaceous gland.
No, sir. I just want to ask that can I exercise the sebaceous cyst
Don't.
or facial artery? Facial artery का जो भी मतलब ये होता है.
Nothing will happen. That's why I'm telling you, sir. Nothing will happen.
Okay. Thank you, sir. And dose of intralesional steroid and Hyalase in acne scar.
Sir,
Dose.
the Hyalase comes in only one, sir. It is just 10 milligram. So you don't need a dosage for it. Steroid comes in 10 milligram, 20 milligram, 40 milligram, 80 milligram. We use 10 milligram. 10 milligram of intralesional steroid mixed with Hyalase. Hyalase is a solution. This is a powder. Take this solution, mix it and inject. Plain IL steroid with your Hyalase, the results will be at least 40% better.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now I invite our ARM ma'am
Thank you, Devi.
regarding this one conference.
Thank you, Devi.
How was the show? Everything madam will tell on behalf of our dean. 1 second.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome all the delegates. I hope you have visualized all the amazing
My
facts.
my close friend.
Thank you so much, sir, for introducing me as your friend. And I think he is an added booster dose to our Stanley Medical College, and he is adding much more pride to our hospital. Really, we should be grateful for taking the Stanley Government Hospital and Medical College a milestone and many decades far away. Really, we are gifted, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Because of you, we are proud of everything. May God bless you, and you should create so many products of students from you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And one good message is just now the dean has called me and asked me to convey that Hindu people are waiting to get the message to publish about your cosmetology conference today. Hats off to the cosmetology chief, Dr.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ratnavir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Now I like to invite senior dermatologist in Karur district, Dr. Sundara Vadivel sir, to give a mementos to our Dr. Nityekta Gayatri madam.
Everybody, அவரே வச்சு எல்லாரும் கொடுங்க. ரைட் ரைட். இது காயத்ரி ஓடியாமா. சேம்மா. அப்பா. அப்பா. நான் இருக்குமா?
சார் நீங்க நிக்கணும் சார். சார் கொஞ்சம் கிட்ட. Madam. Sir. Yeah, one second. Next, 2 doctors. You are going 1 second. Thank you so much, sir. Now I like to invite, this is the 9th year, but continuously 7 years, our Dr. Bhubaneswar, from Bhubaneswar, Dr. Dasar is here, very close friend of Dr. Ratnavel in the SMS. So please come and hand over the mementos to Dr. Aarti Madam.
My personal number, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now
Yes,
I
sir.
like to invite Dr. Annapurna ma'am from Andhra Pradesh. She is also continuously coming to this show to given the mementos to Dr. Vanadi madam. Because previously Dr. Ratnavel sir is doing everything here, but this year myself and Dr. Ratnavel sir is not doing anything. It's a great work done by Dr. Vanadi madam personally. So that I want to say a lot of thanks to madam.
Dynamic
Thank you.
Vanadi.
Dynamic Vanadi.
With all your permission, I want to tell 4 words about sir. மெய் வருத்தம் பாரார், பசி நோக்கார், கண் துஞ்சார், எவ்வவர் தீமையும் மேற்கொள்ளார், செவ்வி அருமையும் பாரார், அவமதிப்பும் கொள்ளார், கருமமே கண்ணாயினார். For those who understand this, he doesn't care about his body pain, he doesn't care about his hunger, he never sleeps, he doesn't care about the bad words who are talking about him, he never care about the time. When you want to achieve something, he never sees it's 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, he works, works and works. Avamadippum kollar, he doesn't care about all the negative comments and he does his work. Karumame Kannainar. That's our chief, Dr. G.R. Ratnavil.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Our college PG students, we want to give the mementos. I like to invite Dr. Ramesh sir from Warangal, our ex-IADWEL president, 2007 president. Please come. Dr. Saran.
I like to invite Dr. Paru to get her award. Special trainee,
Dr. Paru ma'am, please.
அவரே கொடுத்துருந்தோம். அவரே கொடுத்துருந்தோம். அடுத்த கூப்பிடு. அம்மா, அடுத்த கூப்பிடு.
I like to call Dr. Poonam, special trainee Dr. Poonam. Next, Dr. Saranya.
Poonam from Maharashtra. My dear student, she doesn't understand anything. You talk in English, she doesn't understand. You talk in Tamil, she doesn't understand. You
Dr. Uma, Dr. Saranya. Dr. Uma. Dr. Mubarak. Dr. Ilay Kumar.
Ilay Parmal.
Dr. Karthik. Dr. Abhirami. I request our ARMO to give some awards to our PGs. Ma'am, come. Dr. Kalpana. Thank you, Dr. Ramesh, sir.
வந்து ஆக்டினிட்டி லைட்டு.
Dr. Kalpana. Dr. Shobhi Meena. Dr. Aishwarya. Dr. Yoganandini. Dr. Mitra. Dr. Rajesh. Dr. Nitya. Dr. Ragini. Dr. Ashwini.
Respected doctors, in that file you have the feedback form. Kindly fill it up and given back to us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Now I want to introduce in Tamil Nadu we have a 234 assembly seats are there, but here we have a 222 is there. Out of that, our ex-MLA, our proud cosmetologist from Chennai, I like Madam Dr. Gayatri Devi, Madam, ex-MLA, to come on the dais. They are both are from the Stanley, from the UG. Thank you so much, Madam. Thank you, sir. Give a very big hand, please. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Madam. Next, yaar?
Staff Sudarshan.
Now I like to invite for me and Dr. Ratnavel, our old friend from the day one, Dr. Malar Madam, to come on the dais, please. Lab technician, Madam.
I request Dr. G.R.S. sir to give award to our staff nurse who has worked the whole month to bring this event come very successfully. Prema staff.
Thank you, Amma. Very nice, Amma. Very nice, Amma.
Raji and Sudarshan.
அதெல்லாம் இருக்கணும். எந்த ஈவெண்ட்லையும் 100% நீங்க கரெக்டா வரும்.
Both of them have worked very well. I want to thank Narayanan also to support us with all the equipment.
முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. ஓட் ஆஃப் தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லியாச்சுமா. தேங்க்யூ தேங்க்யூ தேங்க்யூ. வாம்மா. எங்களோட போட்டோ வேணுமா? ஓடியா ஓடியா ஓடியா. டேய் வல்க, நீ நம்மளா எல்லாருக்கும் பிரிண்ட் கொடுத்துடணும், அது உன் வேலை. என்னது 3? ஏமா அது ராலின் சாரை கூப்பிடணும்டா, அவர் தான் எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்துட்டு வருமா? எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து எடுக்கனால எடுத்துட்டு வருமா? ரைட். சோம்பேறி ஸ்வாதி, சத்தமே இல்லாம இருக்கா? எப்போ வந்தாவா?